definitely, whether people like it or they don't like it, you're definitely going to get an amazing reaction from this one. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am so excited. If you're like me, you love to thrift denim jackets, collect denim jackets over the years. You may have ones from all the way from the 80s, 90s, 2000s on up. Yes, I do. But you know, once you have one denim jacket, one or two staple denim jackets, then, you know, you might want to just take the other ones and take them to the next level. And I am going to show you how to do that today. Let's get started. All right, number one, just think about simply adding patches. I took some denim from another jacket, or even if you crop it, you can take it from the same jacket, layered it on top of some felt, and sewed it onto the back of my jacket. I absolutely love this one. This is an oldie but goodie, and I had to share it with you guys because, you know, that's a super simple. Even if you go ahead and order your patches from Amazon or a different place, you don't necessarily have to make patches, but I do have a specific video on how I make my patches. I'll link it here, but you can also order them and just add them to the jacket, and yes, now it is a completely different jacket. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing, because we are on our way to 1 million subscribers, and I have a special giveaway for every 100,000 that we hit. You'll learn more about that very soon. So definitely share this video so everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. Next up, think about taking some contrasting material. So for this one, I had this plaid button up that I wanted to crop, and the leftover, I just decided to add it to the bottom of this denim jacket. And you can wear them together, wear them separately, however you like, but it's just a super amazing contrast to a new take on a denim jacket. Number three, this is an adventurous one. I know this is not going to necessarily be for everybody, but think about taking even two denim jackets, or a denim jacket and maybe a blazer like I've done here, and take them half and half and put them together. You can even think about just taking just the front of one to the back of another, or like I've done here, side by side, taking the side of one, put it on the side of other, combining them and making a completely designer, amazing look that you're never going to see anyplace else. And definitely, whether people like it or they don't like it, you're definitely going to get an amazing reaction from this one. Number four, try making your sleeves detachable like I've done with this one. I absolutely love this one. This is actually one of my favorite denim jacket upcycles that I've done. I started off with just one jacket and I cut the sleeves down the shoulder section. And for this particular one, because it wasn't super oversized for me, if it was oversized, I would have been able to do everything with just no extra pieces. But because it was a fitted jacket, I just took some strips from other pieces of denim and added it underneath so that I can overlay it, add the denim buttons, which I ordered on Amazon, and now I have a super unique denim jacket that you're just not going to see everywhere walking down the street. And I decided to turn my sleeves inside out to give that contrasting look, but you can absolutely just keep it if that's what you want. But yes, this is an amazing thing to do, and you can think about doing this with a bunch of stuff. Think about doing it with a denim skirt. Think about doing it with your jeans. Just different ways that you can add details to your clothes to make them so unique and so cute. Next up is the Cardi B denim jacket. And I call it the Cardi B denim jacket because she wore this. And so I just took a denim jacket that I had and started to overlay some contrasting colors of denim on top of it. But I had no pictures of how the back of hers looked, and I honestly didn't really care because I had always wanted to just completely take off the back of a denim jacket, then add in just the waistband from a pair of jeans and just make it so, just the open back denim jacket, just amazing. And if you're interested in upcycle classes, I have a monthly upcycle class with the highest level of my members only group here on YouTube. So hit that join button down below so you can learn more about that. And I have a free Facebook group. It's just a group of upcyclers who share their before and after pictures, help each other when they get stuck. So if you're interested in that, check the link in the description to learn more. And last but certainly not least, think about just completely creating your denim jacket, or this one could be considered a jacket or a top. Think about creating it from scratch. And when I say scratch, I mean just taking pieces of denim. For this particular one, I took the flat fell seam off of 25 pairs of jeans. Yes, 25 pairs of jeans. It's an extreme project, but I promise you, I have all the leftover pieces. I've used them in a ton of other projects. I have a whole video, a list of denim projects that you can see where I've used those pieces in, but I overlaid them over like one of my favorite tops or jackets and put them together to make this amazing piece. And I typically wear it as a top, but I wear, several of my denim jackets as tops. There's no rule that says you can't. But yes, I absolutely love this. Just a tie front. It's just so unique. You're never going to see this anyplace else. And I even like, before I cut off the sides, I even love that look. But I just decided to streamline it and cut it down. Back then I didn't have my super amazing Sailrite fabricator industrial sewing machine, so some of the seams I couldn't quite get through, so I had to cut it off at the top. But if I had it to do again, maybe I would leave them. But you never know. They're both unique, both amazing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know in the comment section which one or ones are your favorite, which one you're gonna do. The links to all the full tutorials are in the description box, so no worries, go check that out. And I have a whole host of other videos for you to watch right here, including the one where I said I did a ton of other denim projects. And I make videos every Thursday and every Saturday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, US time. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.